Ready, go.
Hi, I'm Rowen. This is my September Science Lab video. I chose to make a pen and pencil holder.
Okay.
Here is the model I made. I found out.
So how did you make it?
I got a strip. I made a strip and folded it into a triangle.
Okay.
And when we were doing that, we discovered that the bottom has to be bigger than the hole.
How did you know that? Why would you do that?
Because if it was the exact same size, there wouldn't be anywhere to tape it or glue it to.
Okay. Okay, so then what? Now what? What are you going to make the real one out of?
I'm going to make the real one out of cardboard.
Okay.
And this is the cardboard I'm going to use.
Okay. So how are you
and this is the pattern.
Okay, you're going to use that as a pattern. Okay, that's good. So the next thing we'll do is we'll be taking short videos of Rowen cutting out his real one. Okay? Okay, lay it down and get started.
Bye.
First you're going to have to undo your pattern, right?
Right.
So you're going to have to untape. You're going to have to untape the model.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So you took it apart.
Right.
And now you're going to lay it
down.
You're going to lay it on here. Right?
Right.
And then what? What are you going to do?
Then we're going to follow the pattern.
Okay, so you're going to need what?
I'm going to need
a pencil.
A pencil. I'm going to get a pencil.
Okay.
I'm going to trace this.
Maybe you should get a ruler.
A ruler? Okay.
To hold it down with, do you think?
Okay.
Do you know where your ruler is?
No.
Let me pause this. Okay, ready? So if you put this on the straight, then you don't have to cut that edge.
Okay.
Okay. So put your ruler down at the top so you can draw a nice straight line. Put it on the back side of your paper so that you can see the edge. Wait. You got to make sure it's even. Okay, are you even? Is it on the paper?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now down the side, remember to leave it a little bit bigger so that you can fold it and have something to glue together, right?
Right.
Okay. Because cardboard's thicker than paper.
I know, so I don't.
So, or why don't you do it right there?
All the way across the cardboard?
You're going to have to hold that ruler down.
All the way
tight.
across?
No, just across the paper, to the paper edge. Okay, you can't hold the ruler down here. You have to hold the ruler in the middle so it doesn't move. Yes. Very nice. Okay. So now here is your other piece.
Here's the bottom piece.
So you have to put it up here so we don't waste all that cardboard. Okay. You have to lay it out flat and then draw around it, right? Okay, let's get it over to an edge so that you don't have to do as many cuts. Maybe we should put it over like this so that when you cut that, it stays, or whatever. Like, oops, you move it over. Yeah, you do it this way, then you only have to cut one edge, right?
Right.
Okay. So
now I need to get this, put it right here.
Make it a little bit bigger, because it's cardboard. Just a smidge bigger.
Here?
Yeah.
Okay.
So your ruler's moving because you're not holding it down tight. Okay, we're recording again. Okay, now do this side.
So I'm gonna do right here.
Is that on the edges of the paper? So here, let me show you a hint.
Okay.
So if you have your ruler like this and you bring it along to the edge, then you can see where you're at.
Okay.
Okay, you hold it down. I'm not holding it down because I'm doing the video.
There. Yeah.
It's okay. You'll just be cutting it anyway. Okay, now. So now what do? You need to do these cuts. You need to draw those cuts in. You can just draw it with your pencil. You don't have to use that.
I'm gonna do this.
Okay.
It's easier. I'm gonna do the rest with my pencil.
Okay. Do the other ones.
This one right here, too?
No. Well, you have to make that line, but you don't have to do the little niche thing. I don't think. Maybe. We'll have to see. It's close enough because you can cut it with your... You have to do this part.
This one?
Mm-hmm. And this. Okay. Did you get that line there? Okay, so now we cut it out. Let me pause. Okay, so Rowan's finishing up the cutting on this. Took us a little while to get it cut because the cardboard is thick and heavy paper, right?
Right. And
Just squeeze hard. Keep going.
hard.
Keep going. You just have to keep inching it again.
It's not going anywhere.
Well, get it closer into your scissor. Almost there. Ow! That was my finger under there. Be careful. There. Okay.
Did I cut your finger?
Almost. Okay. So that's our pattern. Okay. So we're going to take a break for a minute. We have to go do gymnastics and then we'll be back.
Bye.
See you later, say.
See you later.